To duplicate our emoji camera in Samsung Galaxy S20, open camera app. If you use default theme, you can open from home screen, tap camera app icon, or from app screen, swipe up or turn home screen to access the app screen, and then select camera, tap more, and then select our zone, tap our emoji camera, and then select settings icon, select manage emojis, and then select emojis you want to duplicate. For example, this emoji, and then tap duplicate. You can change the same new clothes, or tap next if you finish design new cloth. Tap next. You can send my emoji stickers direct from the keyboard in message and other apps. All done. Okay, thank you for watching. Have a nice day.